So in this video we'll see how to export data from EBSD. So open your file. So here is your file. So to export quantities that you have calculated, so first you need to calculate some quantities. So let's calculate GND for instance. Okay, let's ask for all components of the night tensor. Let's calculate the grain size. Okay, so once you have calculated some quantities, so all the maps are listed here, and you want, for example, extract the value of alpha 11, all the components of the night tensor, for example, the grain size, and everything you want. So just go to save and export, and here you will see a button export txt file. So just click here, and here you can compose yourself your file. So there is two ways. So you want, for example, data for each pixel or data for each grain. So average value of this quantity for each grain. So let's start with a pixel. So you want the Euler angle, for example. So you just click here, and you see here the text file with composed. You want the band contrast, so it adds one column with band contrast. You want, for example, the norm of the night tensor, so just click. So one column is added automatically here. On the grain size, you want each component, or you want only one, for example. So okay, I click here on 3. Okay, so once you are done, you want the phase also. Okay, so when it's done, just click on export file. So by default, your working directory is selected, so just name your file as you want. So EQX grain export pixel. Okay, save. Data are successfully created. So okay, let's have a look on the results. So just go here, my data. Where is the file? It's here. Oh, open it. And here you have your file that you can copy elsewhere or use for other calculation. Okay, so let's do it now for grain. So just click on export grain value. So there is nothing in the file for the moment. So you want, for example, the average band contrast of each grain. So just click here. So here it's the ID of the grains. You want the grain size. You want the average GND density. So just click here and so on. You want the list of the neighbor. So that's the neighbor of this grain. So this grain have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 neighbor, which are grain number 2, 61, 47, etc. The surface of the grain, if you want, okay, and then just click on export. So here you can name your file as you want. Okay. Okay. So open the file, and you have your file here. go back to here. What you can also do, yes, so to get the ID of the grain, just go here, select a map, and click on this button, show grain ID. So you have the grain ID of your grains.